Let me start by saying this isn't a pitch for a course or a product. There's nothing to buy here. This is just me as a person sharing my story about how one upload changed my life and set me on a journey I never anticipated. On February the 7th of 2020, I shot and uploaded my very first video on Southpaw Studio YouTube channel. At the time, it was just a small experiment, something I didn't put a whole lot of thought to beyond the effort it took to originally create and upload it. Honestly, I forgot about it for a few months, then seemingly out of nowhere, it started getting comments and views every day. That one spark of engagement led me to publish more videos, and today, now the channel's grown to over 2.4 million views and 30,000 subscribers. While the journey has involved a lot of hard work, I firmly believe that the first video wasn't just luck, it was just about the right subject at the right platform at the right time. And honestly, without that first video, I probably wouldn't have continued down this path. What makes this journey even more surprising is the fact that I'm not really an extroverted person. I'm actually quite shy, to be honest. I wouldn't describe myself as someone with natural charisma, and I've always felt like my channel kind of suffers because of that. Despite the challenges, I feel like I've been able to make my channel work. If I can do it, I truly believe that anyone in the world can do it. That's not to say it's been an easy road. Imposter Syndrome is always a constant companion. There's just an inner critic in me that's always like, you can't do this, nobody cares about your videos, what are you even doing? You have the personality of a brick wall. There was one day in particular when I was filming and I was just messing up a bunch of glass tumblers one after the other, and my inner dialogue was just brutal. Like, I was like thinking to myself, like, what are you trying to accomplish? You're terrible at this. You don't need to be making anything. You should probably just give up and just watch TV or something. But the one thing I learned is no one's really an expert. Nobody's a true expert. Certainly not me. There's always something to learn, always something to improve on. That's the beauty and challenge of the creative hobbies. The process isn't about achieving perfection. It's about embracing growth and just finding joy along the journey. That's really all you can ask for. Throughout my life, people have always doubted my abilities. As you may know from my videos, I have a little bit of an accent. When I was pursuing my degree in graphic design, there was one particular guy in the school that always joked about how I must be in the wrong class. I couldn't possibly know what I was doing. But not only did I earn my degree, I actually graduated valedictorian. That whole experience taught me a very important lesson. The opinions of others usually reflect their own limitations and not really yours. It was the same thing when I started doing YouTube. I always heard like, why? It's never going to work. These comments are from people that they can't imagine themselves succeeding, so they just project that doubt onto others. If there's one takeaway from this, it's this. Just because someone else can't do it doesn't mean you can't. The growth of Southpaw Studios taught me many lessons about persistence, creativity, and community. Creating content's more than technical skills or having the best equipment. It's about connecting people through ideas. Over time, I've come to realize that my viewers don't really care if I stumble over my words or if the lighting isn't perfect. What they care about is somebody that's authentic, somebody just that's passionate about what they're doing and just wants to help others learn. Trial and error has been a huge part of this journey. My early videos were far from polished, and even now I'm always experimenting. I've had successes and plenty of failures along the way, but each experience has been a stepping stone. For anyone considering their own channel or creative project, I'd encourage you to just start where you are. You don't have to have everything figured out. Just take the first step. One of the most rewarding aspects of the journey has been the incredible community that's grown around Southpaw Studios. Every comment, every share, every view means the world to me. When I see somebody write that my video helped them or inspired them to try something new, it's just a great feeling. This community is what keeps me going, even on days when self-doubt starts to creep in. If you're thinking about starting your own journey, I can't stress how important it is to engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and genuinely connect with the people that support you. Building relationships is one of the most valuable parts of all content creation. As for the future of Southpaw Studios, my plan is to keep creating as long as I have ideas and as long as people want to keep watching. I'm aware that sublimation will eventually run its course and it probably has its limited shelf life. That's why I'm branching out into other things like laser engraving, CNCs, and just other various kinds of projects. Diversifying my content not only keeps the channel fresh, but also challenges me to keep expanding my skill set. Eventually, I'd like to get my daughter more involved in the channel. She has the same creative spark and skill set that I do. She's constantly learning and she loves creating. One of my long-term goals is to grow the channel to 50,000 or maybe even 100,000 subscribers. I know this will require not only creating more videos, but also better videos. I've started embracing short-form content, which is new and exciting. It's a different format that takes a different kind of storytelling, so I'm excited to see where that goes. If there's one thing that I hope you take away from the story, it's this. Just start. Whatever project or dream you're thinking about, just take the first step. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you certainly don't have to have all the answers to start. Your first attempt might not be a masterpiece, but it's a start. That's what it is. And sometimes that's all you need to change your life. To everyone that's ever supported Southpaw Studios in any way, thank you. Your encouragement has turned the small experiment into something far bigger than I ever imagined. I'm so grateful to be on this journey with you, and I can't wait to see what the future holds.